Hi guys, welcome into MTB with me. I'm getting ready to show you a video of some upgrades that I did on my YT decoy. I intentionally kept it stock for a year. I got it last August, and my friend Tyler at District Bicycles in Stillwater agreed to let me film while he put the upgrades on. So I hope you enjoy this video, and please like and subscribe.
So you can see your knock box system
is
part of the crown race there. It's an interesting version of that system. The Trek version is part of the headset top cap versus the crown race. Same concept, just
So there's a bearing.
different patent, I suppose. Yeah, so there's a bearing inside there.
Oh yeah. That thing's cracked right there. No wonder it's making noise.
Oh, that's just the little shroud that goes on top.
Okay,
The bearing
that's
actually looks
the
like it's
actual
in pretty
bearing.
decent shape overall. A little bit of moisture in there, but just washed it, so it makes sense. Alright, it's actually not a bad idea to disconnect. If you just hold this in your other hand for a second, I'll go ahead and disconnect those just so we don't run any
That's really the only
risk
thing
of
that's a big deal.
tensioning it.
Break.
There we go. And they do make a specialty tool
Yeah,
just
I have
for
one.
that. It's
It came with
worth
one. My bike came
having.
with one.
All right, so typically we would disconnect your brake and everything, but it takes so much more time for no reason at all. So if you'll just hold that while I use the crown race puller, we'll remove that race and then press on the new one. Yeah, pretty simple mechanism, but also ingenious.
Yeah.
Just try to get equal purchase all the way around, and as you tighten these wedges, it begins the process. So once you just have a little edge under the lip, you need an autograph on there. Hold that for a second. Let me sign this.
Probably because I got a hazmat.
There she goes.
A little bit of grease around there. Helps it slide on nice and smooth.
Got some extra dirt.
Oh, is that inside the steer tube? Welcome to Flavor Town, baby.
Yeah.
I think that was your problem. Your bearing was disintegrating inside there. You were getting some creak.
Yeah, that's and
there's-
a lot of people. I mean, it did that from like almost from day one.
Yeah, it looks like that bearing is totally seized in there. That's what's going on, so we'll. Pull that top one first. Yeah, that one is too. Those little guys should just be like floating in there where you can pull them out easily by hand.
Just tighten too tight. That factory.
Could be.
Oh, just time. make sure you're on the actual bearing.
So you want to be on the cup.
Right. It's coming.
Put your hand on there, grab that.
Yeah, no wonder that thing creaked.
Yeah, I think it's
Roached out. Junk.
oh baby.
Yeah, that's gonna look so sick.
Getting where we want to go now. Like this stem has a slightly lower stack height, so we may need one more 2.5 mil spacer. Where would you prefer that? Do you want it low, or do you want to bring everything up a little bit?
I mean, I would rather have it a little bit higher than
Okay.
it was. I mean, I say that.
I mean, it's
I
2.5
would have wanted
mils.
it high with these bars. And
Those do have a
bars
little more
aren't
rise.
a little bit.
The
but
stem,
not
as you
that
can see, it
much.
kind of goes down a
Okay,
little
yeah,
bit, so
let's-
we'll need to bring it up to compensate
Yeah,
for that.
I would say up more than down.
Oh, there we go. Much better.
One of the big tricks is knowing the order to do all this in, because I would have taken everything off the handlebars.
I mean, nothing
I mean,
wrong with doing
just
it that
because
way at
that's the
all.
way I would have thought that you would do it.
I think it's an effort to have fewer things dangling, but it's not really avoiding some of that.
Do we need to worry about that being straight?
Not yet. We'll do that at the very end.
Gotcha.
So usually what I'll do when I'm installing something like this is I cock it to the side so that at the end
So you
I
remember
remember
that,
that
it's
I'm
not
not
straight?
tightened.
That's a good
So that
call.
just same thing if I raise someone's saddle to put a bike in the stand, I always turn it so that when I set it down, I'm like, oh yeah, I need to
You adjusted
address
something
that.
that needs to go back.
exactly.
Yeah, that's gonna look so good. Hey, with this being a motor, like I don't have to buy a whole crank set for new crank arms, right?
They do sell crank arms for Steps motors. Each brand will have a slightly different interface,
No, so
but you could get like some cool
that's
cranks
what I was
that would go
thinking.
on this.
But
for
it would
sure.
just be the arms. It's not a crank set like
Correct.
it is
Yeah,
when
it's,
you're
it's
putting
just
it
two
through
separate
the
arms.
arm.
Yep, exactly. So there's no spindle attached. That's
Right.
a separate piece.
And I think I'm gonna go. I think I might go a little bit.
There's a lot of
short.
different,
I think I might go a little shorter too.
a lot of different things out there that will do that job. I installed some E13 ones on a guy's bike a while back, and it was an e-bike as well. Those were really sick, but then you're stuck a little bit in their ecosystem, like chainring wise. Well, no, it wouldn't be on this system. Oh yeah, baby. Same kind of thing. We're just going to get this dry positioned, and then we'll adjust the cockpit on the ground because it's never quite possible to get it exactly right. And that's when we start pulling everything off.
That one had a cap in it. I think this one didn't. I had these on my BMX bike and I couldn't get that. I got the cap out, but it was broke. So I just,
I got you.
thank you. Get this brake off.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Oh, we'll
they
turn those
already
at the
are.
end.
They
Yeah,
already are in there. Never mind. So
First, get this in place. Alright, then everything, we'll
Slide them
get
until
everything
we
else.
figure out where to
Yeah,
go.
we'll get everything else dialed at the very end. And we'll need to find a shim. So that was a 35 mil handlebar. I think we've had that exactly. We've got something.
Oh, I was gonna be like, how do we know which one that goes on? Because those other ones have plugs on them. The ones that don't.
Yeah, and with this system, it doesn't actually matter. You could put it in any of those holes. Same thing with the other one, because it just kind of makes it arc.
Bobby, give me a part-time job, dude.
Crystal's the hiring manager. I gotta talk to her.
I would even work for product.
Yes. It's good vibes in here, that's for sure. Are you retired? What are you doing?
No, I'm a tile and flooring contractor.
Oh,
I'm trying to get content creating going full time.
Yes.
I just started a YouTube channel like 3 months ago. It's definitely gonna take some time.
Yeah, it takes so much work and time.
But yeah, I'm right now I'm doing my real job 4 days a week. I'm trying to do my full-time job 4 days a week,
Yes.
and then content create, obviously writing on the weekends and shooting a bunch of content, and then spending a day editing and
Yes. Can't see shit anymore. Oh yeah, but it's like this where I can't get this inside of here. One of those. There's other ways to force it, but this is the one that keeps me from banging my hand on the frame or chain. You can only do that a few hundred times throughout the course of a career, and then
you think it's a better way, man. I get it. My hands are gonna be that from stuff.
that is just, yeah, all those times you're like, oh, that last little bit, I'm just gonna bump it. And yeah, technically I can.
You making a YouTube video?
Huh?
You making a YouTube video?
I am.
I like it.
Yeah, YouTube, Instagram. I'll take parts of it and put it everywhere. You guys need to go subscribe to my channel.
I think I follow you on Instagram, but I don't think I've subscribed to your. Is it still MTB with me?
Yep.
Same branding.
Yeah,
Their son Elliot has a YouTube channel about fishing called Big Dog Fishing.
Oh, nice.
I think it's 12. It's pretty entertaining. It's crazy how good.
Yeah, I just think all that electronic stuff comes kind of naturally to.
For sure. I mean, that's all they've ever known. They didn't have a life without YouTube.
A little bit harder work for me.
Yeah, and there's so much more that you have to like.
I think these aren't exactly in the center.
Oh, it's not. Those aren't even tightened yet. It's just get everything attached.
You know
when you roll forward and all that.
Yeah, it looks so different.
It does, doesn't it? It's kind of cool. So when you're tightening a headset like this, the method, these pinch bolts are still loose.
Okay.
So kind of get the headset aligned, or the cap aligned, however you prefer. And then squeeze the front brake and just kind of rock the bike back and forth. And all we're doing is tightening it until there's no play in the headset. With a headset of this caliber, you don't need it to be mega tight. You just don't want any shimmy, and you don't want any binding, but other than that, just snug it.
Those don't need to be torqued to a certain spec.
They do. I just get them like in the ballpark first.
All the same.
Yeah, it's just a little easier than it is trying to torque it. And they aim at 5. They say between 5 and 6 Newton meters for these. This is preset at 5.
Crystal?
Yeah.
And it's usually 5 Newton meters is for most products on a bike is where you want to be. I think these feel pretty good. They're nice and damped, which is nice.
Yeah, I think.
Which especially for a bigger bike, makes a lot of sense. This stuff I'll get kind of in the vicinity, and I'll have you stand over and move it to where it needs to go the rest of the way. Get them close to where you feel like they belong.
Yeah, right there's probably good. I mean, I can adjust it. I can adjust those later.
You are in business.
Very cool.
That looks good. Really changed